Hi everyone, today is Thursday. It's a rainy night tonight, people. A lot of rain. Yeah, it's a very rainy day today, people. I hope you enjoy my live view tomorrow. Don't forget to give me like on my channel. I'm just taking a walk here. Boy, it's a lot of rain, people. This is Jacqueline Bakery in the Bronx, people. Come here to buy Jacqueline Bakery. Don't forget to give me like when you see my channel, people. Jacqueline's Bakery in the Bronx area, people. Very rainy night tonight. So join me tomorrow. I'm gonna do a video for everybody tomorrow. Yes, I'm gonna be on downtown area tomorrow.